Suunto Race 2. This is the ultimate performance watch, designed specifically for racing and training, and it's been seriously improved. It's built for athletes who train with intention, to perform when it counts. Whether you're chasing a summit, preparing for a race, or carving out time from the daily grind, the Suunto Race 2 is the tool to help you achieve your personal best. It represents a significant step forward in wearable technology for serious athletes. Great design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing your performance. That's why we made the AMOLED display larger and brighter, making it easier to read stats and navigate a route at a quick glance, even in low light. The redesigned back panel enables better heart rate measurement from your wrist, creating a seamless and powerful training experience. Plus, it has a slimmer profile and a lighter build for all-day comfort. Every aspect of the design has been reconsidered to remove any barrier between you and your performance data. When you're at the starting line, the last thing you should worry about is your battery. The Suunto Race 2 was built with one of the longest-lasting batteries in its class. You get up to 55 hours in full training mode with the best GPS accuracy, and up to an incredible 16 days of daily use. An improved charging interface gets you powered up and back out there fast. The battery life is truly impressive, offering up to 200 hours in tour mode and extending to 22 days if you manage your settings carefully. This is a watch that can keep up with your most ambitious adventures without constantly needing a recharge. Performance is a year-round activity. With over 115 sport modes, the Race 2 is your companion for everything from trail running and ski touring to mountain biking and open water swimming. Redesigned hardware and improved algorithms provide the best possible accuracy, so you can stay in the correct zone and get a precise reading of your training load. It includes advanced tools for racing, pacing, and even nutrition, ensuring every aspect of your event is covered. The Suunto ZoneSense feature provides real-time intensity tracking, giving you immediate feedback on your effort levels. Dare to go offline and off-route. With free, detailed offline maps and a highly accurate dual-band GPS, the Suunto Race 2 is your guide even when you're far from any signal. Plan routes in the Suunto app, prepare for the terrain ahead in real time with climb guidance, and use heat maps to find popular routes or steer clear of them. The navigation features are top tier, providing confidence whether you're exploring a new city park or a remote mountain trail. You'll never feel lost with this level of detailed mapping and positioning right on your wrist. This is a coach and a watch in one. Optimize every workout and perform your best with intuitive insights from Suunto Coach. The software analyzes trends in your training load, recovery, and progress to give you clear, actionable feedback right on your watch and in the Suunto app. It delivers personalized guidance and recovery insights to help you train intelligently. The watch even helps with workout planning, taking the guesswork out of your preparation and ensuring you're always working towards your goals effectively and efficiently. Your ambition doesn't stand still, and neither should your watch. We designed the Suunto Race 2 with faster hardware and a significant increase in memory to ensure it's ready for the road ahead, full of new features and software updates. Coupled with our growing ecosystem of over 300 partner apps like Strava and Training Peaks, the Race 2 is built to grow and evolve alongside you. This future-proof design means your investment is protected, and you'll continue to receive new functionality and improvements for years to come. Built for those who show up day in and day out, the Race 2 supports you during training, recovery, and everyday activities. With daily activity tracking, sleep monitoring, fully customizable layouts, plus smart notifications and alarms, this watch will be with you every single step of the way, 24/7. It's a true lifestyle companion that seamlessly integrates into every part of your day, providing valuable data and convenience whether you're in a meeting or on a mountain. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a titanium bezel and a sapphire crystal glass, making it both lightweight at only 65 grams and incredibly durable. The case is made from glass fiber reinforced polyamide, and it comes with a comfortable silicone strap. Everything in the design has been chosen for performance and longevity. In the box, you get the watch itself, a charging cable, and user documentation, so you have everything you need to get started right away. From a technical perspective, this watch is packed with features. It has a full compass, robust connectivity options, and comprehensive outdoor functions. The altimeter and weather functions are precise and reliable. For 24/7 tracking, it covers all your activity, sleep, and provides stress and recovery metrics. The training functions are extensive, including interval training, heart rate monitoring, speed and distance tracking, and detailed training load analysis. It's also a capable tool for swimming, cycling, running, and multi-sports, making it the only watch you'll need for a varied athletic life. The Suunto ecosystem extends beyond the watch. The Suunto app keeps you on top of all your activities, sports, and dives. Suunto Plus adds new outdoor, training, and planning features directly to your watch. And with over 100 partners, you can access additional benefits and services that enhance your overall experience. This integrated approach ensures that your data works for you across multiple platforms. Suunto is also committed to accessibility, aiming for level AA conformance with web content guidelines. They offer support and have a strong global presence, shipping to over 75 destinations worldwide. This commitment to customer service means you're supported throughout your ownership experience. They offer a money-back guarantee and free shipping, making it easy to try the watch for yourself. Ultimately, the Suunto Race 2 is more than just a timepiece. It's a comprehensive training partner, a navigation aid, and a daily health monitor all rolled into one sleek, titanium package. It's for those who demand accuracy, durability, and intelligence from their gear. It represents the culmination of years of innovation in sports technology, designed to help you break through your limits and achieve new personal bests, no matter what your sport is. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're as excited about the Suunto Race 2 as I am, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech deep dives and hit that like button. It really helps us out. See you in the next one.